What's going on, guys? Welcome to our new video. This video is about the best padded bike shorts for men. After deep research, we list the best padded bike shorts for men for your needs and budgets. In this video, we will review men's top 5 best padded bike shorts. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We mention all the products link in the description below. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the Ally Men's MTB Mountain Bike Short. Now you have a problem. You are a hill bicycle rider, and your shorts are done quite fast. You may require to take into consideration the Ally Men's MTB shorts. They are tough and deal with the arduous demands of hill biking. The shorts, and also going along with undershorts, are shield enough for taking on most troubles of hill cycling. These remarkable shorts are made of a mix of polyamide and lycra for prime stretch and breathability. The breeze closure is supplied so you can be settled and on your way before you can claim Jack Robinson. These shorts will not weigh you down, they are lightweight, and you will undoubtedly find them mighty comfortable whatever surface you select to traverse. We reiterate the significance of riding convenience for that a person facet maintains a bicyclist going. Right here, these shorts have all packages ticked. A 3D gel pad, as well as the matched undershorts, maintain you fresh as well as comfortable on your seat. Effective wicking away of wetness is methodically accomplished. Our number 4 pick is the Santic Men's Mountain Bike Loose Fit Padded Shorts. The Santic 4D MTB shorts are the coat of hill biking, priming you with self-confidence and relaxation on your getaways. They possess remarkable breathing top qualities that reduce the user right into an unwinded setting. The building and construction of these shorts are 12-panel, from a blend of nylon, spandex, and lycra that confer the user with a magnificent fit while wicking away that dampness is maintaining you bone dry also in heavy-duty activity. The resultant stretch is powerful. Breathable mesh on the legs at the bottom spike up the airflow. We might not validate whether it was reinforced sufficiently so regarding being tear resistant. The 4D extra padding that consists of the seat cushion is powerful. This is an action over the standard 3D cushioning in most shorts. This form of padding is the solution to sores and various other assorted saddle-induced niggles that can arise from severe riding. Bacterial infections as well are eliminated as the dryness ratio is mighty high. Our number 3 pick is the Sportneer Men's Cycling Shorts 4D Coolmax. The Sportneer male cycling shorts are genuinely awesome. They really rest alongside the skin. These elegances have exceptional stretch. It radiates an unbelievable shape to the skin really feel. That sums up the fit part, except you can well picture the aero performance and the convenience we are talking about here. The manufacturer is of a non-sweat nylon and spandex combination, which automatically ensures the preferable wetness transfer, keeping you dry as a baby and completely chafe-free. In addition, 3 layers of sponge cushioning, boasting high performance, have gone into these shorts. This is created for all those long HRS invested in the saddle. Breather openings are provided so the harness stays completely dry during your laborious sessions. They will also ensure that excellent grasp and silicone grippers involve your rescue. That stay-put liberty is a much-wanted convenience when on the road. On dark streets, you need not worry about being ripped off by some negligent driver. A powerful cat's eye is there to prevent such unsavory occurrences. The Sportneer shorts are a wonderful, useful set of shorts, and also it is a pity that such a superb item is readily available only in black without much choice. Our number 2 pick is the Santic Cycling Men's Shorts. The Santic 4D is an additional marvel among biking shorts. These are specifically created for those long-distance, jumbo flights and will certainly keep you cool down and comfy while you are at it. They are produced from a fusion of lycra, spandex, and nylon, which are both incomparably breathable and pay for excellent convenience. The products used are highly superior, 82% nylon and 18% mixed lycra and spandex. The inseam is typically 0.9 inches as well, as the surface of this material is unbelievably smooth. The bicyclist can continue to be assured of convenience even in the face of resistance. Movement is unimpaired, and biking effortlessly and also comfort is magnificent. The tricot textile is 4-way and has a seamless pad sewn in with a 2-panel construct. This lessens the danger of injury and also, notably, saddle sores. They avoid the buildup of sweat, provide great temperature control, and the padding is impressive for the comfort it presents. It is smooth being produced of the Coolmax microfiber. The extra padding is merged with the tricot and the foam, therefore progressing total comfort and convenience. The distinct feature of these shorts is that they are made of breathable mesh, which is also sweat repellent. They are pretty sanitary and antibacterial, staying completely dry even on those expanded journeys. Our number 1 pick is the Speed Men's Cycling Shorts. Speed cycling is no newcomer. Established in 2011, they focus on biking gear, garments, and tools inclusive. Our findings are that they are a state-of-the-art company committed to research and manufacturing. Strike 1. Speed. These shorts are made from 4-way tricot, a durable 4-way stretch textile made from 80% nylon and 20% spandex. It is fragile and includes single yarns yielding a smooth textured knit. These shorts are fantastic-looking sports shorts as well as are genuinely low cost. We actually liked its true fit and the correct amount of stretch. We need to state right here that these shorts are UPF plus protective. This defense system is relatively new and also constrained to the sunlight security supplied by fabrics instead of SPF, which is for skin protection. UPF stands for ultraviolet security. The chamois, noticeable as shiny extra padding, is 3D and male specific so that the ideal locations get the required defense. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.